Hello parents and maybe some students that are watching. Today I am going to show you how to navigate my classroom website. The most important things that we're going to talk about is how to find your student's personal page on my website. So every student has their own page, and then also how to log into 3 websites. So the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to type in mrscoochiesroom.weebly.com. When you type that in, it'll take you to this page. There's several videos here if you would like to watch those, and then a link to the ECC webpage as well. Then if you put your mouse over the student pages, you'll see that there's a page for everybody. You're going to find your student's name and just click it. Okay, and then there will be a link for YouTube videos that go along with your students' goals, and then also some videos from me. Okay, so if you click on this, it'll take you to a YouTube page, and it'll be all videos that I have picked out that I think would be good for your child. So let me show you that one more time. You're going to go to Student Pages, click on your child's name. There will be some videos that I made, and then there will also be some YouTube videos. Okay, and then the next thing that I want to show you is the websites. So go ahead and click on websites, and the 3 that I would like you to focus on if you can are Raz Kids, eSpark, and Teacher Monster. So Raz Kids, it is books that your child can choose to read, or it will read the books to your child. So what you're going to do is you are going to click on this robot, and it'll take you to the website, and you're going to type KCoochie14. So it'll actually take you to this page. You will type KCoochie14, click go, find your child's name, and then you just type their name for the password. And you'll go to Reading Room, click on the books, and you can choose, or your child can choose, what book they'd like to read, okay? And if you click on the headphones, it will read it to you.
Calming Down, written by Keith and Sarah Corda Martin. Everyone feels angry sometimes. Here are some ways to calm down. You can...
Okay, so that's a really great website. I'm going to show you that one more time. So you would just click on the little robot guy there, type KCoochie14, find your child's name, and then just type their name to log in. Okay, the next one is eSpark. Your child's password and username is right here. So I did it under their initials. So just go ahead and find that. And all you do is click the button and type it in. And then your child will know what to do.
How do you feel right now?
Show you that one more time. So you click on eSpark and then just type in their username and password. All right, the next one is the easiest one to log in to. It's Teacher Monster. Type in their name, and that's it. So if you could use one of these websites every day for at least a half an hour to an hour, that will be really, really helpful for your child. And they're pretty fun games. The kids seem to like them. So there are some more things on this website that you can feel free to explore. I have some videos for letters, learning letters and sounds. I have some sight words. I have some read alouds. So, of course, feel free to use that. But the main things that I just wanted to show you was your student's webpage and then the websites and how to log on. So I hope that you guys find this, this website useful. Thanks for listening.